Hello, welcome again to my channel. Today we want to solve this nice maths challenge which read 8 to the power of a times 8 to the power of a is equals to 200, and we are looking for the possible value for a. So please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and please kindly turn on the notification button so that you get notified whenever I drop videos on maths. So let's see how we can solve this. So see solution. Okay, you write the question 8 to the power of a times 8 to the power of a is equals to 200. Okay, from here, from this part, we are going to apply the rule which is a to the power of b times a to the power of c is also equals to a to the power of b plus c. So if we put this rule at this part, we have this to be 8. Since these b's are the same, a to the power of a plus a is equals to 200. Okay, from here at this stuff we are going to apply a rule which says we are having a plus a is equals to 2a. So we are going to have 8 to the power of 2a is equals to 200. Okay, 8 to the power of 2a is equals to 200. So the next thing we can do is to multiply both sides by the log value. So we can say log, we're going to multiply both sides with the log of base 8. So we can say log of 8 to the power of 2a or to base 8, okay, equals to log of 200 or to base 8. Okay, so at this point we are going to apply a rule from logarithm which says we are having log a to the power of b or to b c is also equals to b log a to base c. So if we put this rule here, we have this to be 2a log of 8 to base 8 is equals to log 200 to base 8. Okay, at this part we are going to apply a rule which says we are having log a to a is equals to 1. So we can have this to be 2a times 1 is equals to log 200, okay, to base 8. Okay, 200 to base 8. Since we are having this, we can rewrite this 200. Recall 200 is also equals to 8 times 25. Okay, 200 is also equals to 8 times 25. So therefore we'll have this to be 2a is equals to log open bracket 8 times 25 close the bracket or to base 8. Okay, so this is what we are now having. So at this part we are going to apply another rule which says we are having log a or to b times c. Okay, it's also equals to log b to a plus log c to a. So if we put this basic principle at this part, we have this to be 2a is equals to log 8 to base 8 plus log 25, okay, to base 8. So from here we are going to apply another rule again. This rule says log a to a is equals to 1. So you can see log 8 to 8. So this place is going to give us 1 automatically. So we're having this to be 2a equals to 1 plus log 25 to base 8. So this is what we are now having. Okay, this is what we are now having. So for us to look for a, we can divide both sides by 2. Okay, so for us to look for a, we can divide both sides by 2. So if we should divide both sides by 2, if we divide both sides by 2, therefore our a is now equals to 1 plus log 25 to base 8 or divide by 2. So this is the value for, this is our value for a. So this is our value for a. Okay, this is our value for a. So since we've gotten the value for a, let's substitute these values into our previous equation to see whether it's going to give us 200. So let's do that. Okay, since this is our question, which is 8 to the power of a times 8 to the power of a is equals to 200, and so our a is equals to 1 plus log 25 to base 8 divided by 2. So we want to substitute this value of a to this question to see whether it's equals to 200. Okay, so before we move further, we are going to simplify this first by applying this rule, which says if we are having a to the power of b times a to the power of c is also equals to a to the power of b plus c. So if we put this rule here, becomes 8, okay, 8 to the power of a plus a is equals to 200. Okay, so from here we have this to be 8 to the power of 2a, okay, equals to 200, because we say a plus a is going to give us 2a. So we now know the value of a to be 1 plus log 25 to base 8 or divided by 2. So in the place of a, we are going to put the whole of this. So we have this to be 8 2 open bracket 1 plus log 25 to base 8 or divide by 2 close bracket, okay, equals to 200. So we want to prove whether it's equals to 200. So we can see that we're having 2 multiplying this here, so they can easily go out. So if we should do that, we're having this to be 8, okay, 8 to the power of 1 plus log 25 to base 8 is equals unknown 200. Okay, so this is what we are now having. Okay, from here we are going to apply a rule which says we are having a to the power of b plus c is also equals to a to the power of b times a to the power of c. So if we put this principle here, we have this to be 8. We have this to be 8 to the power of 1, okay, times 8 to the power of log 25 to base 8 unknown 200. Okay, so we are now having 8 to the power of 1 is equals to 8. So we are having 8 times. So from here we are going to apply a rule. At this point we are going to apply a rule which says we are having a to the power of log b to a, okay, is equals to b. Okay, so a to the power of log b to base a is also equals to b. So if we put this principle here, we can see that we are having this as the power and both of them 8. So this is true, applying it here. So it becomes times 25 equals to 200. So from here we'll see, we can simplify 8. So we can say 8 is same thing as 4 times 2, okay, times 25 is equals to 200. Okay, so from here we can say 4 times 25 times 2 equals to 200. So 4 times 25 is going to give us 100 times 2, 200. So from here, if we open it more, it becomes 200 equals to 200. So the value of A in this challenge is correct. Recall our A is equals to 1 plus log 25 to base 8 or divide by 2. So this is our value for A. So if you find this video useful and interesting, please click on the subscription button. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Bye bye, and see you in my subsequent video.